Welcome back to the channel, guys. There's a new Kaido in the house. Well, sounded a bit cheesy, but I'm really digging this one. This is the latest from Kaido House, number 150. It's green, it says 33, and that should tell you what's inside. Oh wait, maybe the thumbnail and the title already did. Take a look. So let's do the needful. Now this is the Kaido House R33 GT-R, the 33 on the side. That should tell you this is the R33. In fact, it's also written down below. Nissan Skyline GT-R R33 Imai Racing V1. This is the Kaido House number 150. So Imai is basically Jun Imai, the designer of all the Kaido House vehicles for MiniGT, ex Hot Wheels designer for those of you who don't know. And these vehicles have been really outrageous in their design and in their colors, in their decors, and it's been received quite well globally. And this green one is quite a revered one. Could be a future classic, that is what people are saying. Could be a future collectible, could be a future rare model like the red evasive NSX. Maybe not the same level, but it could join the ranks. We see the new Kaido House logo over here. This is something that I haven't seen, at least on any other models so far. So let's open it up, and before we do that, it says metal body chassis, alloy wheels, and an opening hood. So let's do it. And I know it may sound a little weird, but I genuinely hope that we get the green car and not a chase piece. Like I said, I know it sounds weird, but I honestly bought it for the green color. So let's just hope it is going to be this green. That green packaging looks really nice. It's going to stand out even when you stack up all these boxes. This green is going to stand out. And those of you who have been following me on Instagram would know that for the last couple of years I've been hooked on to the green color for cars. It's for ages 14 plus. It's got the Nissan license. So that's one good thing about MiniGT, that they don't do unlicensed stuff. We have seen a lot of other brands do unlicensed cars as well, and I think it's just better. I know it's additional money, but it's always better to go with a licensed product. So let's just open it up now, and it is green. It's not the chase. I mean, I think some of you might find it weird that I'm getting happy about that, but honestly the green is what I wanted. So you also see the Kaido House loud branding on the inside. The packaging, as always, top notch, and then you get this on the inside. So let's check that out. Let's just remove the two pieces and take a look at the car. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I have a thing for GTRs. I love the R32, I love the R33, and this one just looks gorgeous. So let that sink in for you and for me. Wow, beautiful. This green is really nice. It stands out so well. You can probably see the glint in it. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Free low rolling wheels, of course. These are deep dish wheels that you see. Very nicely done. What beautiful detail. It's got chrome on the outside, white spokes, and you see that little detail even on the inside. Wow, I would need some specs maybe to read what's written on the spokes. The tires have the Advan branding on them. You can see that the tires have the Advan branding on them, and then there is some branding even on the spokes. Could be Nismo. As for the branding on the side, 33, the racing number, but of course R33, and what you see here in Japanese is Imai Racing. The Advan logo down below, and here you see the Nismo logo, Skyline written proudly on the buttresses. Then you see more branding on top, Nissan, Advan, Nismo on the spoiler, and on the back the iconic tail lights, so very nicely done. Again you see more Advan branding there, very intricate GT-R branding. The shotgun exhausts, Advan branding even on the lower side of the bumpers, and here on the bottom of the spoiler it says built for the human race. Of course, level 5 autonomous driving is not going to be a part of a beautiful car like this. So it is built for the human race, for humans to enjoy, for humans to feel everything. But of course these are fictional race cars, fictional builds. Very few of them exist in the real world, and that too for promotional purposes if I'm not wrong. This one I haven't come across. But the front end looks gorgeous. I mean, that red element down below is just beautiful. Even the red band on the windscreen, which again says Imai Racing, looks so nice. And that new Kaido House logo on the bonnet with the Nismo branding, with the 33 right next to it, split between the bonnet and the fender, and the bonnet opens, so you even see Advan on the bonnet on both ends. Let's pop that hood. Ooh, beautiful. I wish it opened a little bit more so that I could show you more details, but even the engine detailing is just phenomenal. Green detailing on the engine, superb. The chrome brace looks really nice. The green engine detailing looks really nice. Wow, amazing. And if we see inside, we also see green upholstery for the seats. And as for the dash, you see that detailed finish on it. It's not a carbon fiber finish from whatever I can see, but that detailing is looking quite nice. And this is a right hand drive, of course. Rubberized mirrors as always on a MiniGT Kaido House, and right hand drive. Amazing. Wow, I'm pretty impressed. Let me know what are your thoughts, guys. Will you pick this up? I think it's sold out in most places, but if you do get your hands on it, are you going to pick this up? I'm so glad I did. This is not going anywhere. It's definitely going to go into a diorama, not into the box. It has to be displayed. Beautiful, beautiful piece. I really like it. The details are simply amazing. Too good. And if you've picked this up already, let me know what are your thoughts. Especially the R33's headlights. I mean, they are so difficult to do. We've seen it with different brands. They get the silhouette absolutely right, but when it comes to the headlights, that is where things go a little haywire. I'll not call these the most detailed headlights in the business. We've seen better. TLV is also doing some really good stuff, and their headlight detailing is quite nice. This doesn't have a front registration plate or anything, but you see the subtle GT-R branding even in the front, quite nicely done on the grille, and even the mesh layout is pretty nicely done. I really, really like it. So pretty impressed with my purchase. I'm so glad I got it before it sold out. So like I said, guys, give me your feedback. Tell me, what do you think about this casting? I think it's a brilliant casting and you should definitely add it to your collection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one, take care and drive safe. Happy collecting.